Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up alarm on your Android device, especially Xiaomi devices. All you have to do is just go to these tools and then click on clock, and this is the alarm section that we're gonna set up right now. If you have already set it up alarms in here, a pre-made alarms, if you don't like any one, you can just click on add and you're gonna choose the hour. For example, let's say 5, and then the minutes, you're gonna choose any minutes, 5, 5:30, 5:20. We're gonna choose 5:30, and then in here you're gonna choose if it's EM or PM, as you can see, in the morning or at night. For the morning, you're gonna choose EM, and for the ringtone, if you want to change it for the alarm, just click in here. And then you're gonna choose the ringtone you want in here. If you click on it, you can preview it and listen to the ringtone. And if you click on it again, it will stop. To choose it, you have to click on apply and then click on OK. As you can see, applied successfully. Go back right now and you can here choose if it's daily or Friday, Monday, and Friday, or you can choose a custom period. For me, I'm gonna choose daily, and you can write here a label if you want. For it, let's say 5 a.m. You can write anything you want for it in here and click OK. And in here, you can enable the vibrate when alarm sounds. It's recommended. If you don't want, you can disable it. And when you finish with the settings, you have to click on the check icon, click on it to save it. As you can see, it's set it up and you can see it on the top in here icon. It means it's set it up. If I disable this one and I will click on in this one, as you can see, it's hidden right now. When you enable it, it will show up on the control panel on the top. It means it's set it up. As you can see, it shows in here remaining hours for the alarm. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.